I'm going to try paddleboarding, and this is my first time. I'm using Hurley inflatable paddleboard. Inflatable paddleboards are a great option for people who want the convenience of easily storing and transporting the paddleboard. So these boards are made from durable, lightweight materials, often using drop stitch construction, which allows them to be inflated to a high pressure, creating a stiff and sturdy board that performs similarly to hard paddleboards, but can be rolled up for storage. I'm going to paddleboard in the rain, and this can be a unique and peaceful experience, though it does come with a few considerations. And these things we should keep in mind: safety, visibility, water condition, waterproof clothing, water shoes, a leash. Let me tell you, always wear a leash to ensure that your paddleboard doesn't drift away if you fall off. So the rain tends to discourage other paddlers or jet skis or boats from being on the water, which means you might have the water all to yourself. The sound of raindrops hitting the water and the peaceful, misty environment can create a beautiful scenery, almost meditative atmosphere. Well, if we are prepared for the rain and take the necessary precautions, paddleboarding in it can be a relaxing and rewarding experience, especially when you're surrounded by nature in a quiet aftermath of a storm. But I got stuck in the middle of the bay, and this is a quick story. I started on my knees. I began by kneeling in the center of the board with my feet about a hip width apart. This position will give you balance as you start to paddle. Then I started to stand up slowly after I felt that I was stable on my knees. And I gripped the paddle. I was holding it with one hand on the top and the other lower down on the shaft, and keeping my arm slightly bent. And I started to paddle. I tried to keep my eyes forward, not down at my feet. This helps with balance. I tried to engage my core muscles and keep a slight bend in my knees. And I thought to myself, if you fall, try to stay calm. Just swim to your board and climb back on the back, and it's easier than from the side. Because I thought falling and getting back up was a part of learning. The problem was that I was afraid to fall. There was no wind, no waves, no jet skis, no boats, no swimmers, no fishermen, nothing. The water was calm and relatively warm, but I was still afraid to fall. And then I realized that I have a camera, a waterproof camera, and I can take photos or videos, and I can share my experience. So maybe that's what really was helpful. especially the first time paddleboarding. Um, the views I was getting from a paddleboard were stunning, unforgettable, and I started filming everything I could with one hand. And then I realized you have to give yourself some time. It can take a while to feel completely stable on a paddleboard, so be patient with yourself. Everyone improves at their own pace, and the more practice you get, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Paddleboarding was a fantastic way to connect with nature and get in shape while trying to have some fun on the water. Just keep practicing, enjoy the process, and soon you will feel like a pro on a board. I got back to the shore without falling even once, and I kinda enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye.